This is the GM brake cable diagram. It's hard to follow, but inside you have the foot brake assembly, and then that comes externally outside on the foot brake cable to a little joiner, which I've called a cable catch. Again, the GM diagram is very poor quality, and just for completeness I've included the foot pedal assembly. Here you can see the cable catch, the link between the foot brake cable and the lift brake cable, then exploded view, and that's the actual physical cable as seen in the Hummer. For completeness, here is the location of the left brake cable.
This cable is leading to the foot pedal, and you can see we've got a rather rusty cable catch underneath. So to release this stopper on the end of the cable, if you just put in a flat blade in the end between this split housing and give it a twist, you can release the pressure on this, so you can just slide it out, and that should just now come off. Just like that, and then the cable will come out. There we go, we've now released the old cable. The new cable will come with a new one of these on the other end, so we use the new one rather than preserve the old one. This is the fixing that goes into the handbrake cable. This is the left hand side rear brake cable. These fixings just push in and clip with these barbs. To release them you just need a 13mm spanner, which is the exact diameter of that and the hole that it pushes into, and with a 13mm spanner you can poke the barbs inside and just slide the old one off. Same at the other end, 13mm spanner again will release the fixing. Handy to know.
The left-hand brake cable also has another catch which links to the right-hand brake cable, and so when you pull the brake pedal you actually pull both brake cables on together. If we move down the vehicle you will see that long black cable goes through the bodywork, through the brackets, out towards the back, and then eventually links to the rear brake caliper, just where my hand is.